My name is Devesh Mishra. I was a CT aspirant in 2025 exam, and I've scored 937.75 out of 1000, and I've scored 100 percentile in political science. So my अपनी अगर preparation strategy, if I have to say, then yeah, just stick to NCRTs. NCRT is just everything for you. Like we say, कि NCRT के each line you have to just get everything with NCRT. Notes for domains. Now go to NCRT as a aspirant, who is, means like you have to do each line से you pick questions. कि अच्छा इस line से what questions can be there? इस line से क्या question हो सकता है? And not just be about middle portion. Go to smaller boxes. क्योंकि for me, if I have to say, मेरे history questions, history paper में 90% questions from where those boxes और कोई deep questions भी थे, deep से आ जाते थे. So just prepare those boxes very well for NCRT. Now, what can be there with one? I will suggest that if you have to go with mocks after preparing that you have feel that you are very good, then you go to CUET mocks. I would say there is one term, yeah, NCRT is like a Ved for you. And if you have to learn Ved, you should know Vedanga. So NCRT is like Ved and CUET mocks is like Vedanga. For NCRT, for CUET, NCRT plus CUET mocks. I remember CUET mocks, I got to know about CUET mocks late. But when it comes to it has chapter-wise questions, it has PYQs and 20 mocks, which are like best. I remember मैंने CUET mocks कहीं और से भी मतलब for mocks. I also subscribed to some other portal, but I felt that those mocks were very harshly put together and sometimes not true to NCRTs because में बहुत questions थे जो previous year में अब deleted थे. Means so previous year में थे, इस साल अब syllabus reduce हुआ था. It was with current NCRTs, so I felt it was not very true to current NCRTs. And but for senior research, I got to know about CUET mocks, and I would say it's the best. You just make NCRTs, have conceptual clarity, make notes of facts and events and whatever personalities, events, everything, timelines as well for domains. And after that, solve mocks from CUET mocks. After CUET mocks, you will get to analyze your, okay, what's my thing, what's my level, कहाँ गलती कर रहा हूँ. साथ में even analyze कि यार what making your mistake. Means वो question आपने पढ़ा ही नहीं था या फिर आपने वो क्वेश्चन पढ़ा था, you know that question, means you know that thing, you know that conceptual clarity, but while solving questions you were not able to do. It was a blunder type of. So try to analyze, even if you are doing COT mocks, or if you are going any questions to wrong ho ja rahe, try to make notes of that questions as well, jo main bhi karta tha. So these things are very important for COT mocks. So I would say two things for domains. It is domains NCRT and COT mocks. इसमें chapter wise EYQs and full mocks solve each and everything. जितना solve कर सकते everything. I solved each and every question. Solved each and every question. हाँ, English में the syllabus is different from the board. So I would say right now, previous year when I was researching that how's the paper of English. So previously grammar से ज़्यादा होते थे. इस साल now we have 50 questions and the weightage of vocabulary is more than grammar. I remember grammar से मेरे साथ 2-3 questions होंगे and maximum was from rearrangements and grammar. Vocabulary. So I would say if you are you're thinking English में, if you have to do, I think start as early as you can. I remember I started a bit early. मैंने grammar किया था, but last में grammar उतना कुछ हुआ नहीं. Vocabulary मैंने थोड़ी कम की थी because there is no limit to vocabulary. So if you are start vocabulary as soon as possible. उतना ही आपको होगा. What I have analyzed through vocabularies कि एक limited set of vocabularies ही होते हैं, उससे बाहर नहीं होते. And every vocabulary has a limited set of antonyms and synonyms जो ही पूछता है. For instance, candid का हमेशा synonyms honesty होगा, and that was asked in my paper. So try to have these things. यार इस vocabulary का सबसे correct जो हमेशा generally पूछा जाता है, try to have this. I would recommend CUET mocks में पूरा vocabulary for the previous year सब है, उसको तो definitely कर लेना because vocabulary is limited और वो generally repeat ही होता है. So CUET mock में you have vocabulary section. Go through all those vocabularies and learn each and everything. Additionally, you can also go कि हर एक vocabulary का one antonym synonyms. This thing is a vocabulary. Grammar you can last में general grammar rules सबको पता ही होता है. हाँ, reading comprehension is very important. And additionally, like how Veda studies with Vedanga. So similarly, NCRT and CUETMocks.com, you will have each and every mocks, chapter-wise, EYQ and full mocks. Just solve those things and you are well prepared. The best I can say is like it's the Vedanga for Veda. Like
Yeah.
how Vedanga is needed for Veda, similarly CUET mock is needed for CUET.